Hello, I am here in my kitchen because I want to show you three of my top favorite low point sweet snacks that I go to often on my Weight Watchers journey. And last week I didn't have them and I ate more junk than I should have, and I realized how important they really are. So let me put down the camera and I'll show you what I'm talking about. For my first low point snack, I have the Fage Total 0% fat Greek yogurt, which is 0 points, some cinnamon, and some sugar-free syrup. So for a quarter of a cup, it is, let me get my phone. Okay, so I just go ahead and use my Weight Watchers app. So it's Monday morning. I have 27 dailies. I haven't logged my breakfast yet, and because we get new weeklies each week. So I'm a fresh start on a new week. So this is going to be a snack, and I'm going to search by using the barcode, and then so the Great Value sugar-free syrup, one serving is 1 point, and one serving is 2 tablespoons. So I'll show you that this is 0 points as well. This I put on the top of it is, let's see, 1 point for, sorry guys, that was really loud, for 2 tablespoons. So what I do is one serving of the Fage is 3/4 of a cup. And I'll put in 2 tablespoons of the maple syrup. Mix that all in. I use quite a bit of cinnamon because I love it. And it says 2 tablespoons. I don't really measure in here. I just do 2 quick. And there. 1 point for the whipped cream. 1 point for the maple syrup. So 2 points. It's sweet, it's delicious, and it helps with sugar cravings. A much easier go-to is this sugar-free Jell-O snack packs, which if you have no points left, these are actually 0 points. So if you are craving something sweet and you have no points left, you can just go ahead and take one of these. But personally, I like adding a point and putting 2 dollops of the whipped cream on there, so it's a 1 point snack. I just like the creaminess of it. It just hits the spot better for me. And then for the nighttime, ice cream cravings. Good old fudgicles. These are the no sugar added fudgicles, and they are, let's see, 2 points, and then the serving is 2 pops, so you could even make it a 1 point snack by just eating one of them, because they actually come packaged separate but hooked together. You can eat them both for 2 points, or you can separate them and eat just one for 1 point. So those are my top 3 go-tos for sweet snacks, and let me know if you try them. They're delicious, they hit the spot, they're low in points, keeps me on track, and when I have them in the house and I choose them over other things, I definitely notice the difference on a scale. So we're just going to go ahead and get into our stats for this week, and I appreciate you being here. So this is what this week looked like. So I gained 1.2 pounds this week, but all the other stats stayed relatively the same. So onward and upward, or downward actually. We want the scale to go down. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next Wednesday for my next Weigh-In Wednesday? Is that what we're calling this? Yeah, we'll go with that. Thanks. Bye.